making snowballs!
Ooh, I know how to make it so easy. Let me go get the ingredients.
Wait, Helena! I wonder what she's gonna bring. Let's wait, Elsa.
Okay. I'm back.
Oh, let's see what your ingredients are.
So it's 1 cup of ice and a hammer.
Okay, let's see how you make it.
So you first take the ice and then you take the hammer and then...
Wait! No, that's not what we're gonna make. You can put that away.
Okay, then.
We're making snowball cookies.
Oh, I thought we were gonna make snowballs.
Okay, put that stuff away. We're
Okay.
gonna make this.
Bye.
Okay, we'll wait. Okay.
I'm back.
Okay, now let's see the ingredients for snowball cookie. The ingredients are 4 sticks of unsalted butter, crushed pistachio, cashew nut, and almonds, 2 cups, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of cardamom, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of pure cane sugar. Let's get started. Now we're gonna add our 4 sticks of unsalted butter. Now we stir our unsalted butter. After we mix our butter, now we add our crushed pistachio, cashew, and almonds. Now we're gonna add our 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can start mixing, Helena. Now we're done mixing our vanilla extract. Now we add our 1 tablespoon of cardamom. After we're done mixing our cardamom, now we add our 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Slowly, it's gonna explode everywhere. Now we're gonna add our pure cane sugar. Now we're done adding our sugar, and now we're gonna add the rest of our all-purpose flour. Now we're done mixing and our snowball cookie dough looks like this. And now we're gonna do our next step. Our next step is shaping them into our snowballs. And we're gonna show you how to do the balls. So we only take about a little bit, just a little bit more. Like about this much, and we roll it into a ball.
like this.
Yep. And now you just place it into the pan, but make sure to have the distance between it so it won't rise on it. I forgot to tell you that you have to preheat your oven for 300 degrees Fahrenheit and let it cook for 10 to 25 minutes. After letting it cook, if you want to know how it would look like, it should be brown on the top, a little light brown on the top, and it should look like this on the bottom. Then you take it out. When it's done, you take it out of the oven and you let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. Then you transfer your snowballs to a plate to cool down again for 3 to 5 minutes. So when you put your powdered sugar on the snowballs, it wouldn't melt. When it's done cooling fully, then you take your powdered sugar and you dip your snowballs in them. Helena, do you want to try one?
Sure.
Wait, Elsa. Elsa, do you want to try? Here, let me get you one.
I don't want that one.
Okay, I'll do this one. You do it. It's tasting time! Now we're gonna try our snowballs. It's so soft. Tastes really good. Elsa, what do we say next? Please?
Please subscribe, like,
And share to your friends. Bye!